Hello everyone, welcome to the class with Sister Josephine. I am going to deal with class 5 English 2. Today we are going to begin the new lesson, that is lesson 2. A rupee goes a long way. And today we are going to study from page number 17 to 18. Welcome to the class. Before we begin, let us know about the author. Ruskin Bond is an Indian writer of British origin who has played a very important role in the growth of children's literature in India. Most of his writing is influenced by life in the hill stations at the foothills of Himalayas, where he spent his childhood. So, Ruskin Bond is a famous writer in India who has written a lot of stories for the children. Here we go with Ruskin Bond. He is the one, a very famous writer of India. Let's begin the lesson. A rupee goes a long way. Ranji had a 1 rupee coin, so he made his way to the Jimna sweet shop, tossed the coin on the counter and asked for a rupee's worth of jalebis. Now, Ranji is the main person of this story. He had an old 1 rupee coin, so he went to the sweet shop. He kept the coin on the table and asked for jalebis worth of 1 rupee. The shopkeeper looked at the coin carefully. That coin's no good, he said. So he looked at the coin up and down and he said, it's no good. It's of no good. Are you sure? Ranji asked. These coins went out of use long ago, said the shopkeeper. It isn't old enough to be valuable and it isn't new enough to buy anything. So the shopkeeper said, these coins went out of use. They are not at all used these days. And it is not a so old coin, so it can be a valuable one. And it is not new enough to buy anything. So the coin which Ranji took to the shop was of no use. It was outdated. It was an old coin which was out of use at that time. Here we go with the collection of some old coins. Some of you may not have seen these were some of the old coins which were used in our country. When I was a small child, some of these coins were also there in use. Let's see here. This is 1 paisa, 2 paisa, 3 paisa, 5 paisa, 10 paisa. This is 1 rupee. This is 1 by 2, half paisa. So 1 by 4, quarter. 20 paisa, 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Maybe you might have seen these coins. But these coins were very old and it's outdated now. Nobody uses. Now by chance you got a 5 paisa coin of this type. If you take to the shop and give, nobody will take it. So same thing happened with Ranji. He took an old coin to the shop and he was trying to buy something which was of not at all used at that time. And the shopkeeper said it is out of date or it's not used now. So here is a collection of some old coins. Ranji shrugged, took the coins back and turned on to the road. So Ranji he didn't bother much. He just ignored it. Okay, shrugged means just to lift up the shoulder and just ignore like that, no? So he took the coin and he came back to the road. Soon Ranji was wandering through the bazaar. Wandering means he was moving around the bazaar when he heard a familiar voice behind him. Where are you going, Ranji? So he heard somebody calling him from a familiar voice. Someone was calling him from behind. Where are you going, Ranji? It was Mohinder Singh, Ranji's friend. So who was that one? It was Mohinder Singh, Ranji's friend. In one hand, Mohinder held a homemade fishing rod. So now what was this Mohinder doing? He was holding a homemade fishing rod in his hand. Fishing rod. You maybe a fishing rod is used to catch fish. I am not going anywhere, said Ranji. So Ranji, he asked, where are you going? So he is replying now. I am not going anywhere, said Ranji. And Ranji is asking back to Mohinder, where are you going? So now Mohinder replies, I am not going, I have been. Mohinder said, I was fishing in the canal all morning. So Mohinder said that I am not going anywhere, I have been somewhere. Where? He was fishing in the canal throughout the morning, all morning, he said. Now, some of you may not know what is a homemade fishing rod. So here you see a homemade, it's a simple stick tied with a rope and at the end there is a hook and some worms are there. Just they put the worm there and use this one for catching the fish in the, different types are there. a homemade fishing rod. So this is what Mohinder was holding in his hands. Ranji stared at the fishing rod. Will you lend it to me? He asked. So he looked at the fishing rod and he was staring, means he kept looking on, and then he asked him, will you lend it to me? Means will you give it to me? So Mohinder said, you will only lose it or break it. Mohinder said, you may lose it, otherwise you will break it. But I don't mind selling it to you, 2 rupees. So he said, okay, I don't mind, I will sell it to you if you want. So you pay me 2 rupees and take this fishing rod. So he said, I got 1 rupee, Ranji said, but it is an old one. The sweet seller would not take it. So Ranji replied that I have got only 1 rupee and it is a very old one. I went to the sweet shop, fellow did not take, so I have only that 1 rupee old coin now. Please let me see it, said Mohinder. So Mohinder asked to have a look at that old coin. He took the coin and looked it over. I don't suppose it's worth much, but my uncle collects old coins. Give it to me and I will give you the rod. Now what was the contract between these two now? Mohinder looked at the coin and he said it's of no use, it's not of worth much, it's nothing. But my uncle has the habit of collecting the old coins, so I will give this old coin to my uncle. Okay, then in exchange I will give you the rod. So the old coin was given in exchange for the fishing rod first time. Now, alright, said Ranji, happy to make the exchange. He took the fishing rod, waved goodbye to Mohinder and set off. So he was very happy. He wanted to have that fishing rod, so he got it. So he made the exchange, gave the old coin to Mohinder. He took the fishing rod from him and he went off. After some time, a truck came along. Ranji knew the driver and waved and shouted to him till he stopped. So he saw on the road a truck and he recognized the truck driver, he knew him. So he was waving and shouting at him till the driver stopped the truck. He asked, will you take me to the river? Ranji asked. Will you take me to the river? Ranji asked to the driver of the truck. Climb up in the back, the driver said. So driver said, come on, climb up at the back side. Ranji climbed into the back of the open truck. So come on, he ran quickly. He climbed on the open truck at the back of the truck. Soon he was watching the road slide away from him. So when he climbed, the vehicle started moving. He just saw the road slide away, means just moving away from him. So this is enough for today. In the next class we shall continue with the same lesson. Stay safely, learn easily. Meanwhile, you can go through the new words and its meaning and learn them. Thank you. Have a nice day.